I am Saibaba Balaji, come from Mauritius, 65 years old, to Billroth Hospital here to replacement of my two knees. I was very satisfied, and I want to thank for a lot for my doctor Balaji Saibaba. He's very grateful, and I thanks a lot for the staff and members and all the doctors who support me, and my physio doctor who had been support me a lot for the physio. Thanks a lot for all.
Nirvana from Mauritius, and I came to Billroth Hospital with my mother for total knee replacement. It's been a great experience for us to be here, traveling so long upon the trust and the recommendation of our family doctor from Mauritius, Dr. Vinod Balakrishnan. And upon his recommendation, we've been to Billroth Hospital, confidence in with Dr. Balaji Saibaba and Mr. Ravi Shankar from the marketing department. And till our pickup at the airport, we reached the hospital. The surgery has been done. Everything has been just perfect, and we couldn't ask for more that has been done for us, because it was like we've been treated like family here, and it was only my mother and I. We don't know anyone in Chennai, and we came here just for an operation, such a big operation, and everything went on so well. I would be grateful to the medical staff here, non-medical staff, the surgeon, the anesthetist, the physiotherapist, Mr. Dina Karan, and everyone, the juniors and the nurses, and the ward boy, everyone, till the security and everyone here. Everything was just good. Yeah, thankful and to all of you. And we will surely come back for a checkup and do visit everyone here. Thank you so much.